sexy as bro, I feel so performative making these videos, man. It feels so unnatural as to the person I would say I'm evolving from, you know? It's so, I notice it. Trust me, there are a lot of people who probably watch these videos and they think to themselves, bro, when has he ever spoke like this? All the time, just with different mannerisms and different articulation, but never let who you've been prevent you from becoming who you're meant to be. Walk in an example, regardless of how people have seen you before. If you're raising your energy, I'm gonna say energy, yeah. If you're evolving, whoever sticks around more should reflect that. Birds of a feather flock together. Now you gotta really picture who you wanna be and see those around you in the same image and hold them to the same standard. Always surround yourself with people who want better for themselves, and inevitably, in the same sense, they will want better for you as well. I'm sexy, my gosh, bro. Damn, bro, I gotta work on my traps though.